Hello and welcome back to the Home Bookkeeper YouTube channel. Today we're diving into something that is super important, your fourth quarter audit in QuickBooks Online, as you prep for the year end. Now don't worry, when I say audit, I don't mean the IRS is knocking at your door. This is more like a self-check, a way to make sure your books are clean, accurate, and ready for the upcoming tax season. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to review step by step so you can wrap up your year with confidence. The very first thing you're going to do is reconcile all of your bank and credit card accounts through the end of the year or the most recent end of month. In QuickBooks Online, go ahead and head to Accounting and then click on Reconcile. Choose your account. Enter the next statement, ending balance and ending date, and then check off transactions until the difference is zero. You need to make sure you are reconciling every single month. You cannot skip months. This is the foundation of your audit. If your reconciliations are not accurate, your reports will never be accurate either. Next, let's look at accounts receivable. That's all of your unpaid invoices. Go to Reports, Accounts Receivable Aging Summary. Here, you'll see who still owes money and how long those invoices have been outstanding. There are two reports. You can see the Accounts Receivable Aging Detail or Aging Summary. It is up to you which report you prefer. But before year end, make sure you follow up with clients who haven't paid. You'll want a clean AR, and you don't want to carry over uncollectible invoices into the new year if you don't have to. Next, let's go ahead and flip it. Go to Reports and Accounts Payable Aging Summary. This shows you unpaid vendor bills. Double check that everything listed is valid and not a duplicate. If you see old bills that were already paid or duplicated, go ahead and clean them up now. To catch duplicates or misentered bills, make sure you're reviewing this before the year end. Once you've handled receivables and payables, it's time to review your profit and loss statement for the year, or to the end of the year to date. Head to Reports and then click Profit and Loss. Run it for the entire year or adjust the date range to be year to date. And here's what you want to look for. Do all income categories look correct? Are there expenses sitting in uncategorized or Ask My Accountant buckets? Are there personal expenses mixed with business? This is where you catch all the messy stuff. Miscategorized transactions can make your taxes harder and even increase your liability. So make sure you are reviewing your profit and loss statement regularly. Up next is your balance sheet. Go to Reports and click on Balance Sheet. Go ahead and run it for year to date. Here you can check these items. Do your bank account balances match what's on your reconciliation reports? Are your loan balances accurate? Is owner's equity or retained earnings rolling forward correctly? If you run payroll through QuickBooks Online, now's the time to double check those records. In QuickBooks Online, go to Payroll and then Reports. Review year-to-date wages, withholdings, and employer taxes. Make sure totals match what you've remitted. Check accuracy now before W-2s or T-4s go out in January. Next, let's talk taxes. Sales tax, that is. In the US version, go to Taxes and then sales tax. And review filings to confirm nothing is outstanding. In Canada, check the GST and HST, or the province taxes, reports under taxes, and then sales tax. Make sure remittances are up to date. Finally, you'll want to package up year-end reports. Go over to the Reports tab and click on Management Reports. QuickBooks lets you bundle key reports like the profit and loss, balance sheet, and general ledger into one PDF. This makes it so much easier for your accountant or tax preparer to file your return. And here's a bonus step I always recommend. Lock your books. You can do this once your accountant signs off. In QuickBooks Online, go to Settings, and then go over to Accounts and Settings, and click on Advanced. Turn on Close the Books and set a closing date. This will prevent accidental changes to finalized numbers. And that's it, your step-by-step fourth quarter audit in QuickBooks Online. If you follow these steps, you'll go into the new year with clean books, less stress, and fewer surprises at tax time. For more business resources, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you need more assistance, private QuickBooks Online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.